right, Kai and I are headed home. It's Friday. Kai's daycare lady was sick last night and this morning, so she messaged real early this morning and said that she was going to be closed. So he came to school with me this morning. I have a half-day sub, so I just left. I look crazy because I didn't hardly get ready this morning. It ends up working out well, actually, that I got a sub because Mara has an award ceremony later today. That's not until like 2 o'clock, so that'll be good. I'll be able to go home and take a shower. I feel like a little hungry. It's almost noon, so I think I'm gonna stop and grab something on the way. Or I have those, what are they called? Pancake, like it's like a pancake sandwich. I don't know. It's like it looks like an empanada with a pancake on the outside. Like it's like shaped like that and crimped on the edges. Today I coach at the gym at 5:30, and I don't know what else is going on. But we'll see. We'll see what we get into. Oh, in my classroom, Kai found a pill, I guess, and luckily a couple of my students were watching, and they stopped him from eating it. But I don't know what kind of pill it is. I do have it in a baggie, so maybe I'll show when I get home. I kept it just in case he did eat it. They said we don't think he ate any of it. Like he picked it up off the ground and acted like he was going to, and they stopped him before that. But there is a piece, like a whole side of it missing. So just in case I kept a hold of it in case he starts acting weird for some reason, then I have whatever it is. So we know that if he did eat any of it, we know what it was. I think it has the number 25 on it. What does that mean? I have no idea. No clue. Let's just pray that he didn't actually eat any of it.
First grade, Miss Mara, come on down.
Woo-hoo! You want to try this, Kai?
Try this.
Try this. Here, hold your hand out. There you go. You got it. Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Grab it. Got it? Wow. Just exposed myself. Is that yummy? You like it? Mmm, yummy. Do you like it? You do? Okay, I didn't know if you would like it or not. Kai and I are just sitting outside of Mara and Jay's school waiting to pick them up. And we had the award ceremony. Cute. Whatever. She was the very last award. So it was like the citizenship award, but it was called something weird. I don't know. But fun stuff. Now we're just sitting. You don't like it anymore?
It's yucky.
It's yucky? Let me see. It's yucky? Okay, put it in the trash right here. My trash can. Here I am exposing myself. Just throw it in the... Okay. Oh, Bubba, don't put your finger in the can. Oh, my goodness. Kai. I thought you liked it. I guess not. Okay. I think it's like 2 days later, but it's Sunday, and we've just been cleaning a little bit. I cleaned out these drawers. Let me show you. So I actually like vacuumed them out. And this is kind of, these are both sort of, oh shit, damn it all. These are sort of like junk drawers, but I don't like my junk drawers to actually just be full of like just trash. So these are all just chargers slash like electronic stuff, balloons, address stuff, and envelopes, thank you notes. The kids, this is kind of the kids drawer other than that section. So this we got the other day. It would typically not be in there because it's huge, but we've got their like arts and crafts type stuff here, back here, the Nintendo Switch or whatever, a tablet, and then in here is just like the catch-all. There's a little game, Mara's wallet, camera, obviously. So this, it's organized chaos, I guess. And then the other drawer is more so like the adult drawer, where I took these used to be in the refrigerator, and I put them in here. They were from the Dollar Tree, but that's like the best place to get them, but I can never find them anymore. I bought a bunch of them when I bought them. This is Mara's hair that we cut off. I just haven't taken it downstairs yet. And then a pair of scissors because I don't know why I put them there. but I fit 5 across here. This is kind of my drawer. It's got my glasses, my sunglasses, my glasses cleaner. This is like my little, Roscoe, hush. A little tech drawer. It's got my tripod, my little tiny tripod, and then light, microphone, sunglasses. This is a catch-all, just random stuff that we would use every once in a while, and then just writing utensils. Back here, this is where I just keep this upstairs. This is all stuff that will eventually go down to like the storage file cabinets. But I've got one, Russell's got one, the kids. So when Mara brings something home that we want to save, it's like I just put it in here, and then eventually it'll go down in her file cabinet. So I don't have to just go up and down all the time. So this is kind of like a mini file cabinet for just little fun things. So all of us have a folder, and then anything important that needs to go in a file cabinet, I'll take this down and I'll empty it. Underneath is just some other random like financial stuff. And then I just have like nail stuff. So nail painting stuff. I used to have it upstairs, but I never paint nails upstairs. So this has coupons and stickers in it. So organized mess is what I like to call that. The kids are now just doing some crafts. Russell did the dishes. I cleaned the kitchen a bit. And now I've got the rest of the house to clean. Like 2 videos ago or something like that, you saw, or maybe 1 video ago, you saw me clean. And this is basically like every week on Sunday, just cleaning, because I haven't been keeping up with it during the week. But it's gotten a little bit better, I will say. Like just trying to pick up a little bit throughout the week. Slowly, just baby steps, okay? Baby steps. They're getting some crafting going on. Not crafting, but I guess they're just coloring. Ooh, that looks nice, sis. And the boys. Good girl, Sadie. Good girl, Sadie. Sadie, sit. Sit. Sadie, sit.
She dropped it.
What?
She dropped
Sit. Good girl. Okay, throw it for her. Good job. Good job.
Sit.
Throw it, Jay.
High five.
Go get it. That a girl.
Hey,
Good job, Sadie.
High five.
Good boy, Roscoe. Give him a treat. Give him a treat. You did it.
Five.
Good boy.
There we go.
Good.
Tell
her.
Sit. 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 Sit.
Tell her stern. Like, tell her stern.
Stern.
No. Tell her sit, but you gotta be stern.
What is it?
Sit.
Sit. Sit.
Good girl.
High five.
Yeah.
Hey.
Good girl, Sadie. Say good girl, Sadie.
Jay, they'll get.
No, hey.
Jay, they will want you when you have that. Okay?
Say high five.
High five.
Good girl. She's trying. Give her a treat. Good girl, Sadie.
I'm over here.
Just leave it open, kids. Jeez. Okay, do Roscoe. Say high five, Roscoe.
High five, Roscoe.
High five. Yeah, say it loud. High five.
High five. High
High five.
High five. High five.
He's nervous. He doesn't know what's going on.
That was just
Tell him shake. You can do this. Shake. Shake like this. High five like this.
shake.
Shake, Roscoe.
Shake. Jay, be stern.
Say shake. Say shake. Roscoe. Roscoe, shake. Good boy. Give him a treat. Give him a treat, Jay.
Okay.
Give Roscoe a treat. He did
I'm
shake.
gonna give a shake to Roscoe.
It's a few days later. I think it's a few days later. Or maybe. I don't know what I filmed up to this point. But this has been like a 5-day vlog with little clips here and there. But it's Tuesday. I'm headed to work. But before I go to work, I am picking up my prescription. So if you are new around here, I take Prestique, and I desperately would love to get off of it, but it is hard to get off of. I just want to stop it cold turkey so bad, but when I stop it, like right now, I've been without it for coming on 2 days since I've taken it. And my brain zaps are actually very mild at the moment. I'm having little brain zaps. If you're not familiar, it's hard to explain if you've never had it happen to you. It's like little electrical zaps in your brain. Very weird. Very, very, very weird. But I was a little emotional this morning because I so badly want to get off of this medication. Man, now I'm getting emotional again. But it's just like such a process to try to get off. And even like I tried doing the every other day thing to slowly wean. Oh, I hope it's open. Got that prescription picked up. So here we go. The deal with this medication is that apparently it's super hard to get off of. And that is proved to be true. And it's super hard to get off of, meaning like the side effects are just rough. And my issue is not just like, I feel like I tell myself, I think I could get through the side effects. Like I think I can power through, you know? But then I think like, oh my God, like how long is this gonna last? And do I want to deal with this for this long or whatever? And then I get nervous because it's an antidepressant. And, you know, like stopping it cold turkey, like what if that just makes me go crazy? I'm laughing about it, but it's like serious. I'm laughing because I don't know how else to process. Like if I were to stop it cold turkey, it's like, what if this makes me have really terrible thoughts and that kind of type of thing? So it's really just like scary, but also I don't know how long. If it's like, oh, these effects are only gonna last like 3-4 days, I'd be like, down, okay, I'm cool. Let me just like sit at home for a couple days and just, I don't know, lay low and deal with it like that. But I don't know if that's the case. And I'm sure it just depends on who you are, how you are affected. But it's just frustrating, honestly. And this is the reason why I never wanted to get on anything in the first place. I never wanted to be on something because I never wanted to depend on something. And right now, like, I am depending on this medication to like help me feel just like a normal, sort of normal human. Because if I don't take it, I'm like having hot flashes, I'm dizzy as hell, I feel like I could fall over at any moment, like just like off balance type feeling. And the brain zaps, makes me feel like I'm gonna pass out. And it's like, I could deal with it if I knew it was only gonna be like a couple days, but I don't know how long. I don't know. I haven't gotten my dosage like weaned down because I don't want this process to be that slow. I don't know what to do. Anyway, I did stop by Starbucks and got a coffee, venti vanilla sweet cream cold brew. I added some cold foam to be fancy. And then I have a turkey bacon breakfast sandwich. And because I was feeling a little extra, I got a cheese Danish. Now I'm headed to work. I'll be there all day, and then I'm coaching at the gym tonight. But if you've ever taken Prestige and you've tried to get off of it, tell me, how did you do it without going on to another medication? Because I just don't want to be on it. I don't want to be on it anymore. I don't want to be on anything. I want to be high on the gym. That's what I want to be. I'm so stupid. I gotta go. All right, it's space day at school, so we were going like Xenon vibes. But Mara doesn't want to be Xenon. You want to be somebody else. Well, who's your space name?
I actually do want to be Xenon, but I just don't talk like Xenon.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
I don't want to say Xenon. I don't want to say that I'm Xenon. But
Okay.
I do want to be Xenon.
But you're Xenon. Okay, she's Xenon. Remember?
I'm Dash.
Oh, you're Dash. Okay, let's go get in the van.
Mom, I want to be Dash.
You can be Dash.
I don't want to be Dash and alien.
You want to be Dash Alien? All right, Jay's Dash Alien. Woo. Hi, friends. It has been a couple days, I think, since the last time I talked to you. I just am headed to the gym to coach. I coached 2 classes tonight. It's Thursday. Just got off work. Stopped by 7 Brew. I don't know how many places 7 Brew is located or what. I don't where 7 Brew is located besides here, but I like their energy. I don't like their regular coffee drinks or whatever they're like the flavors they come up with, because it's like straight up milk and sugar and that's it. But I do like their energy. So I get a sugar-free can, like it's Red Bull or something. I get sugar-free, but then like the flavor they add in is usually I don't get sugar-free of the flavor. But this one's called Monster Mash, and she said it's like, what did she say? Something. I'm so stupid. Something with lavender and like blue raspberry or blackberry. I was like, lavender seems a little sketch. But I was like, is it gonna taste like flowers? It doesn't at all. I don't know what it does in there, but it's really freaking good, actually. Really good. So I'm headed to the gym. I think the last time I talked to you, I was talking about my medication. Well, here I am back. I'm just taking my medication every day. I am afraid not to. Everybody in the house is a little bit sick, meaning like just a little. Like I went to work today. Russell stayed home with Kai because Kai and a bunch of kids at his daycare are sick, so he just needed to get checked out. Usually I don't take my kids to go to the doctor unless they absolutely have to. Like if they're sick, they're just gonna have to go through it, you know. But she wanted him to like just to know what was going on. So he has a viral infection. But I have a sore throat. I know a couple days ago Mara said she had a sore throat, but she was like acted fine. So I think, you know, sometimes it's like when the weather changes, sometimes you get a sore throat. I've got a sore throat and I just feel kind of run down a little bit, but I got things to do. I still got things to do. I just know that this video has been over the course of like a week. So I wanted to come on here. This is probably loud as hell, like, because I'm on the highway, but I wanted to come on here and close this video out as I'm headed to the gym so that I could just be done with it. It's been a shit show of a video, so I'm sorry about that, but that's pretty much what my life is. Like, it's just chaos all the time, it feels like. This weekend I think I'm going to take the kids to the pumpkin patch, I think. But if I do, I'm definitely going to film some of it because I just like looking back on memories like that. So it's more for me than for you, but I'll probably share it with you anyway. So yeah, I'm getting ready to get off the exit to go to the gym. Thank you for watching if you watched this random compilation of videos. And if you want to stick around, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, just give it a thumbs up to boost me up on the YouTube world, you know? And that's it. I'll see you in the next one.